For maximum performance on the road, your tires are developed and engineered by leading manufacturers and designers. Regular tire maintenance will keep your tires performing at their best, providing traction and durability. Russ Darrow Mazda of Milwaukee has a full Mazda tire center for all your tire needs. Our certified technicians can help with tire pressure, tread depth and tire wear, and optimal tires for seasonal weather conditions. If you are noticing a dashboard indicator light, low tread depth, noticeable or irregular wear, or non-repairable damage, it's time to have your tires inspected. Our service experts will properly mount and balance your tires to have you back on the road safely. At Russ Darrow Mazda of Milwaukee, amenities are available, including Wi-Fi, service specials, experts, and more. Relax in our comfortable waiting area and enjoy complimentary coffee and refreshments. We look forward to serving you.